Good morning. We are inside the seminar hall of CBSUA Kanabanga Company Store, and I'm Reno Alcala, one of the topic presenter for information. But right now, I have the opportunity to interview one of the organizers of this senior class project about mass media. Good morning, ma'am. Michelle Balista.
Yes, thank you so much for that. Because for being part of this class media project, it's very vital nowadays, especially the millennials. Because mass media really have a big impact in our students, especially that in the future they will be educators. Because this event is sponsored by the College of Education and of course of the CBSUA. So,
maging masaya ka sa mga bagay-bagay.
those from the media people or those media people who are part of their knowledge for us to be aware what is really the importance of mass media in our existence, of course, what are the effects of this mass media in our lives.
Yun lang, maging masaya ka.
Ma'am Michelle, what are the topics of your seminar right now?
Yung mga tao nasa paligid mo, kasama mo sila.
In the mass media,
Oo, dapat
as you can
yung mga tao nasa
see,
paligid mo,
this is a training on shaping
naniniwala din sa'yo.
relevance.
Sabi nga niyan, dapat doon ka sumama sa mga tao na may ibibigay ang maganda sa'yo kaysa sa tao na pwedeng maging masama ang ginagawa siya. Diba? So, sa edad natin pa rin yun ngayon, alam niyo na ang tama ko eh. And sana doon tayo lagi, diba? Sa alam natin kung mga tama ko. So, pag mali, hindi natin gagawin. But basically, yung pinaka-mahalaga doon, maging masaya ka sa sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi ka masaya sa sarili mo, hindi ito lalabas sa'yo. Diba? Para sa mga tao sa sarili mo. Hindi mo
So,
kasi yung susunod, hindi mo masaya.
partake on the
And
seminar
yun ang
second.
pinakamahalaga. Simulan mo sa sarili mo ang lahat ng bagay at may bibigay ito sa mga taong
Part to the
kapatid sa'yo.
students,
At
not just
natin
students, but also the faculty who are
maging
present now
matagumpay.
in this activity. Your experience.
Yung naman sa akin, no, na gusto ko
Stop ko na sa
Thank you, ma'am.
Ako.
Nakaibang ko tayo si Maki.